So Stacy and I ran out to Ohio yesterday to pick up a cow-calf pair that we had bought and well, it was in-person auction or online, but we bid online the previous weekend. Markota Angus Ranch in Lisbon, Ohio had a sale. So we picked up a cow-calf pair. They've stayed overnight on the trailer just to settle down. There they are there. That's Markota Lady 0023. She's out of President, and her heifer calf, born the end of April, that is out of Boyd Markota, which is a Musgrave Stunner son. So we're gonna get these guys off the trailer, let them in this pasture here until the cows come back around. It'll be just this pair in this like two acre pasture by the barn. Let them get used to their new surroundings. Then when the cows come back around, they'll join the herd and get their pushing and shoving out of the way then. But we'll just swing the store. Let's see if they want to just step off. Come on, let's go. My assistant is out here now. Oop, you just got all blurry. Oh, now you're clear. Come on, you're next. She's a 3-year-old. She still has a little growing to do, but she won't do a whole lot more growing. She's going to be on the smaller side, which is one of the reasons that we selected her. Just going a little smaller brood cows. Do a little better on grass, low energy requirements. They've got decent feed in here. We're supposed to finally get some rain. We haven't had rain. Well, we had a decent 10-15 minute shower a few days back, but we haven't had any real rain in probably 6 weeks. This pasture's been rested, well, probably for about 5 or 6 weeks. So you can see there's some feed down in there, some clover and everything. Most of the grasses have headed out, but there's plenty of feed just for one pair in here. Like I said, it's like 2 acres. Just trying to figure out what the chickens are over there looking at them. Mom couldn't care less. She's eating. She had hay on the trailer last night, but she's hungry. Yes, I said what her name is. You ready to put up some temporary fence?
Yeah, it's a lot hotter out than I thought it would be.
Yeah, you don't need a sweatshirt.
No.
All right, let me get the gate closed, and we've got temporary fence to put up to move the cow herd. They were a little disappointed in me yesterday. I didn't move them then, but we had a road trip to do.
Mama and Precious came to check out the new cow-calf pair. They're over there. Mama's eating, the calf's just hanging out. I just spooked Mama Cat. She's a scaredy cat. Aren't you, Mama? Precious, not so much.
We just gave the cow herd, it's all blurry now, there we go. We just gave the cow herd a bale of hay to hold them over till tomorrow. Stacy and I just put in a temporary fence over on the hillside over there. But we got a couple more things to do before it's cow ready. And the rain is coming. So we're just gonna let them make sure they've got enough to eat here, because this pasture's pretty beat up. They've been here a week now. It's like 5.5 acres. It's time for them to move on, but we're just not quite ready to take them through the woods area yet. We have to set up a temporary lane and get them moved. Go up and check their water. I'm sure they'll need water soon. The water tank's almost filled up. We'll get that hauled up here. Somebody just got the fence.